In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free VPN on your Google Chrome web browser. So to go and start using a free VPN, click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side, click on extensions and select Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search box, go and type in VPN and then press enter. Now there's a bunch of different free VPNs that you can use in Google Chrome. These probably aren't going to be as reliable or as fast as a paid one, but these definitely work if you just need to access a certain website or you just need to kind of use it for a one-time thing to maybe get around some kind of restriction. So the one that I like to use is this one at the top, free VPN for Chrome, and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, and once that's finished downloading, we can close out of this window, click on the extension bar and click on the pin icon next to VPN. Now just go and click on the VPN icon, click on continue, click on start and select the region that you want to go and connect to. So I'm going to connect to a UK VPN and click on the start button to go and turn this on, and give that a couple of seconds while it goes and connects to this server. And as soon as this is turned on, we can now begin using this free VPN. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.